Next topic is expressions. See, the instructions that you write using operators. If you're using operators in a instructions or a statement of your program, then it is called as expression. For example, if you have a statement like this, C assign A plus B, so it means we want to add A and B and store the result in C. So this is an expression, and here the operators are used, that is plus and assignment. And this C, A and B are called as operands. These are called as operands. And this assignment and plus are operators. See, writing proper expressions is also a challenge sometimes. If you do some mistake in an expression, then the results of your program may not be as expected. You may get wrong results. So we will learn how to write proper expressions. What are the things that we have to take care? So through examples, I'll explain you. Let us take an example. I want to write an expression like D assign A plus B plus C. What does it mean? Add the value of A with B and the result should be added with C. Suppose it is 10 plus 5 plus 7. So I want to add all these. So how they are added? First 10 and 5 are added, result is 15. Then in that 15, this 7 is added. So this entire thing is added. 15 plus 7, that is 22. So D becomes 22. Yeah, this is one expression. Now suppose I have an expression, I will take the numbers here, 2 plus 3 into 5. What does it mean? Does it mean add these two, 2 plus 3, that is 5, then multiplied by 5 and the result is 25? No, wrong. This doesn't mean add these two. See, what does it mean then? What is the proper meaning of this expression? If you write 2 plus 3 into 5, this will first multiply 3 and 5. So this becomes 3 into 5, 15. Then 2 is added with that one. So this becomes 17. So result of this expression is not 25. The result of this expression is 17. So this involves simple mathematics. We know that multiplication is having higher precedence over this addition. So yes, this means first multiply these two values and add that with this 2. So similar thing happens in Python also. Operators have their precedences. So here you can see in the table, the operators have their precedences and they are executed based on their precedence. So here I have the list of various operators available in Python and they are arranged based on their precedences. See, the highest precedence for the operator is bracket. Parenthesis is having higher precedence, then function call, then slicing and so on. So let us look at the arithmetic operators that we are learning. So if you see here, multiplication, division and modulus, these three, they have the precedence, that is 11. And there is one more, exponent, that is power operator, that is having precedence 14. So it is having higher precedence than multiplication, division and modulus. The next comes addition, subtraction. So these two are having precedence 10. So this is smaller than multiplication, division. So yes, just like mathematics, here multiplication is having higher precedence than addition. So first these two are multiplied, then they are added. And if you have exponent in your expression, so that will execute first. So let us take some more examples. I will write one expression, 2 multiplied with 3 plus 8 divided by 4. How it is executed? First these two are multiplied, okay, then these two are divided, so the result is 6 here and the result is here 4, then they are added, so the result is 10. So this is how it works. So higher precedence is multiplication, then next highest precedence is divide. So in this expression we have the operators, that is multiplication and division, they have equal precedence. So first multiplication is done, then division is done, then addition is done. If at all you want to write like this, like I want to first add 2 plus 3, then I want to multiply the result with 5. So writing the expression in this form is wrong. So you must enclose this inside the bracket. So this bracket will have the highest precedence. So for increasing the precedence of any operator, you can use parentheses. So this is very powerful thing for writing the expressions. So if at all you want to first add then multiply, you want the result as 55, this like this how I have shown you. So this will be first added, so it will become 5 multiplied by 5 and the result is 25. So far we have learned that operators have their precedences and the higher precedence operator is executed first. And if you want to change the precedence of any operator, you have to use parentheses. I'll write on the expression like D assign 3 into 4 into 5 by 4. Then how it will execute? See, multiplication and division. 3 operators are used here, 3 operators, and one is multiplication, another one is division, 2 times multiplication and division. What is their precedence? If you see multiplication, division, modulus, they have equal precedence. So then which one will be performed first? So first one is this one, then this is the second one, then this is the third one. So they are performed from left to right. They are performed from left to right. So if you watch here in the table, in this line, the last one is written here LR. LR means left to right. So if there are multiple operators in an expression with equal precedence, they have same precedence, then they are executed from left to right. Now I will show you one interesting thing. If I am writing 2 power 3 power 2, how it is done? See, this is also power, this is also power. Power is used 2 times, so it is having equal precedence both. So which one is executed first? This one, then this one. First this one, then this one. No, wrong. Just check in the table. See, here it is written right to left. So there should be L actually. Right to left. See, look in the table here. Exponentation, that is for power. What is written here? This is RL, that is right to left. Right to left. See, if you read in this column, all are written as LR. Only for power it is written as RL, right to left. So they are executed in this order. So this is executed first, then this is executed second. So it is executed from right to left. So one important thing we have learned here is that associativity of operators. If the operator have same precedence, then they are executed based on associativity. When you have multiplications and division, they were having same precedence, so they were executed from left to right. Now here powers are having same precedence, so they are executed from right to left because their associativity is right to left. So if operators have same precedence, then they are executed according to associativity. So what does it mean? 2 power 3 power 2. This means 2 power. This is 3 power 2. So first 3 power 2 is done. So this is 9 and 2 power 9 is 512. Suppose you want it like this. 2 power 3 whole to the power of 2. Then you have to change the precedence, that is 2 power 3, and this should be in bracket, then power 2. So which one is executed first? First this one, because this is enclosed inside parentheses, so this is having higher precedence, so this will execute first. Because of the parentheses, this became a higher precedence now, and the highest precedence here is, I have numbered it as 18 here. Okay, I have given the numbers here for explanation. So this is highest precedence. Then this one is executed because of the parentheses. Next this one. So it looks like this, 2 power 3. Then the entire result is given with power 2. But here, first 3 power 2, then that is given as power to 2. So power is having right to left associativity. So we have learned about precedence and associativity. We have also seen that we can change the precedence of any operator by using parentheses. Now let us write a few expressions as a practice. Here we will learn how to write expression. I have taken some mathematical formulas. We will learn how to convert these formulas into proper Python expressions. Here we will learn how to write Python expressions. You should know how to convert a mathematical formula into a Python expression. So as a practice, I have taken few mathematical known formulas here and I will show you how to write a Python expression. Let us start. The first one is area of a rectangle formula. The area of a rectangle is length into breadth, but mathematically we write just LB. But in Python, LB doesn't mean L into B. You have to write it properly, like area assigned with length. L is a variable containing length value and B is a variable containing breadth value. So you must write multiplication symbol. Alright. So don't do a mistake of writing just LB. You should know that multiplication means a star should be used. And this is one thing. So you should be careful with this. Now coming to next, area of a triangle. So this is another formula. Area is equal to half into B into H. So this is half is 1 by 2 into B into H. As it is I have written. Is it valid? Will it work properly in Python? Like 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2, 1 cannot be divided by 2, so it should be 0. No. If you remember, this is a single slash. This is 1 by 2. What does it give? It gives float result. It gives 0.5. When 1 is divided by 2, answer is 0.5. If I am using double slash, that is floor division gives the result as 0. But float division gives the result as 0.5. So this gets converted into 0.5 into base into height. Yes, this is perfect. This formula is perfect. This is valid in Python. Now coming to next one. This shape is, and this side is A and this side is B, and this is the height. Perpendicular distance is height. Now the formula is A plus B by 2 into H. That is half into A plus B by into H. Okay, A plus B into H. So this area is A plus B divided by 2 into H. Is it valid? A plus B should be divided by 2. So whose precedence is higher? Division precedence is higher. So what it will do? It will divide just B by 2. It will not divide A plus B by 2. So you must increase the precedence of this plus. First addition should be done and that should be divided by 2. So include this in the bracket. This is important. Now this is added first and divided. Then it is multiplied with H. Yes. So the entire result is multiplied with H. Yes, this entire result should be multiplied with H. So it is perfect. Formula is perfect. Alright. And you can write it in other way also, like area is equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by A plus B multiplied by H. So mathematically it looks like this. Half A plus B H. So you can write it in this way also. Now coming to the next formula for displacement. Displacement D, I'll write just D. V, this is a final velocity square minus initial velocity square by 2 into acceleration. So this is V square. V square is into, that is power 2, minus U square is U power 2, right? Then divided by 2 into A. Divided by 2 into A. So this entire thing should be divided. So this should be in bracket. Then only subtraction will be done first, right? Then divided by 2 into A. Is it valid? No. This 2 into A, the product of 2 and A should divide this entire thing. So this product should be done first. Then this should divide this one. So addition, subtraction should be done. Then this multiplication should be done. Then this result should be divided. So if you don't write this in bracket, then A will become numerator. A will come in numerator. It may look like this mathematically. V square minus U square by 2A. If you don't write this in bracket, A will become numerator. Just like how H is in the numerator here. H is getting multiplying this entire thing. So A will multiply this entire thing. So this should be in bracket. Alright. Now you can pause the lecture and try this one by yourself. Alright. So just pause the lecture and try to do it by yourself and come back again and check with your result. Hope you have done it. This formula is for the equal roots of quadratic equation. So I have taken a partial formula here. So this root is equals to minus b by 2 into a. Is it valid? No. This a is also denominator, so it should be in bracket. Yes. So that's it. I have shown you few formulas. Now using the same formulas in the next lectures, I will show you how to write a complete Python program. So whenever you find any mathematical formula, try to convert that into mathematical expression. So if you keep on practicing, you will learn more, right? See, learning about the operators is a different thing, but using them into for writing proper expression is a different thing. So learning how to convert math formulas into expression is a continuous process. The more you practice, the more you get perfect, right? So that's all in this lecture.